Hi, everybody, and first all and foremost, happy Mother's Day. I'm here. I'm going to share with you once a week with some audio, maybe some video, like today, maybe just a list of what's going on. So, with me, I'm going to chat about, where in the world I am. So, right now, we're in Salt Spring Island, traveling, and I'm dedicating some of the audio music, which is what's it called? Opera to my mom, and my mom enjoyed music and enjoys opera. So yeah, I was going to talk about my health, my fitness, some tech and coaching and branding, along with maybe what's going on, reading, and always with what's going on with my Arbonne business. So I'll start with that because I've got a picture here of Arbonne, I think you can see, and they've got a little bit of a feature for Mother's Day. One of the features that we are really focusing on, one of the top products, and one of my top products that I use every day, if not once, twice a day, and Rob uses every day. He's been quite healthy over the last couple of years, and he uses the Energy Fizz Sticks before he goes to work out. I have usually one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Yeah, instead of if you have those energy slumps and you need that help to get you going, please look into what we do with the Energy Fizz. And of course, they are on a special promo until the middle of the month. Have to share that. Who doesn't like to know what the best deal is possible? So yeah, we have some gut health. We always have what's clean, great for you, botanically based. It's a really great line, and I have supported it, worked with it, and used it for 17 years. So that is what's going on with Arbonne for now. I will post a link below of some of the promos and what's going on, but I would definitely feature this week the Fizz. It comes in lots of flavors, lots of cool things to do with them. So if you want on anything on it, please let me know. I'm going to talk next about, where in the world are we? So we're in Salt Spring Island. We're house sitting and dog sitting for 3 weeks, which what we weren't going to do, but got offered something, and it is spectacular here. So yeah, why not? The next part was I am working always in the digital space. So what I'm doing with my tech, always helping. I recently helped somebody. Their name change went from Facebook, and we had to change their name and their company name and everything at Facebook. So I helped the technically challenged sometimes, and then other pieces. I am working with a branding with archetypes. I became certified as an MBBC money mindset coach, and one of those pieces is branding with archetypes. I'll drop my quiz below if you'd like to work on that. If you want to know about it, test it out, and we can have do a free assessment with it too. The last piece, one of the pieces is what are you reading? And I tend not to read much. I do listen and walk, but I was listening to the Oprah Club. She was on. I mean, if you're on Oprah, some of the stuff is a little out there for me, but it was the gentleman who wrote Brooklyn, which I really enjoyed a few years ago. I think he wrote it over 10 or 12 years ago, and he wrote a sequel to it called Long Island. So, really good so far. So, that's what I'm kind of listening and walking. They have a great dog here, and there's great places to walk. So, I'm walking here. The last would be I am listening to opera music in tribute to my mom. I did watch a mom's kind of movie earlier this morning, and one of the characters was asked to talk about 10 things you know about your mom. And, so I got my coffee, went out to the beautiful ocean view, and wrote down 10 things I knew about my mom. And I shared them on Facebook, of course. Just a couple of pieces where I traveled the world with my mom for probably the last 25 years before this, 20 years at least. We went all over Europe. We went to Australia, New Zealand. When I was traveling for work, she'd come with me sometimes. She was a traveler. She was an adventurer. We moved when I was 3 from Edmonton to Ottawa, and then back from Ottawa to Calgary. She was a great bookkeeper. Her finance were always balanced. Her checkbook was always balanced. And my God, could she make a lemon meringue pie? She was the best baker ever. And she was one of my best besties next to my sister Suzanne. And my mom has Alzheimer's, and I miss her, and I love her. I miss some of that chat at the end of the day, whether it was about something was going on or something you'd heard or someone you talked to. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to say happy Mother's Day to everybody out there. And I'm going to come to you weekly, sometimes audio, sometimes video, some just written word, but I'm going to be consistent and try and share and serve you, the best I can. So, wishing you all Mother's Day. You are all valuable mothers, sisters, aunts, whatever that kind of mother fur mom, like I am. Have a great day and stay healthy, wealthy, wise beyond your words, and happy, whatever that means to you.